Today, we are going to see the basics of Figma. If you are a beginner, this video is for you because knowing the basics will allow you to create designs and prototypes. Welcome to the video. This is the main page where you can manage your profiles and projects. You can see all my previous projects here. Click on new design file to be redirected to a project file. If you click on new Fig Jamboard, it will help you create SVG elements. Now click on new design file and go to the new project. This is a project file. You can see all the tools here and I will give a short explanation about them. Okay, this is the move tool and this is the frame tool which helps to create frame. You can see that there are lot of frames here like phone, tablet, desktop, etc. Next, this is the shape tool. It has a different shapes like circles, rectangles, lines, etc. Next is the pen tool to draw shapes. And then the text tool to create text elements. This is an advanced one with components and plugins that help to make your designs feature rich. The hand tool is for moving. On your left side, this is the layers bar. It shows your elements and frames. On your right side, this is where you manage everything. In this part, you can set the position, scaling of elements, rotate elements, customize the border of your elements. Auto layout helps with responsiveness and layout grid helps align elements. For example, you can see it here. The fill option changes the background, strokes are for borders and effects are for shadows. You can also share your project with your teammates and friends. Next to share, it will help you see your code. And finally, there is a preview button to view the output. Okay guys, I have explained all the basic tools. Now we will do one basic design using all these tools, so keep watching.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Until then,